Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to hide completed tasks in Asana. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. Scroll down until you see your projects and open the project where you want to hide your tasks. So let's say I will complete 2 of these tasks, and now I would like to hide them from my view so I can see only the incomplete tasks. I would use filter and click on it and then select incomplete tasks. Now as you can see, all of the complete tasks are hidden. You can also delete them, so clear this filter and delete this task if you want. Just simply drag like so, and you can select delete tasks and they will be hidden. You can undo it right away if you want. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.